Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word wig in depth. First, the definition. Wig means a covering of synthetic or real hair worn on the head. Think of it simply as a hat made of hair. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Wig traces back to the earliest recorded wigs in ancient Egypt around 3400 BCE. Over time, it's been used by various cultures as fashion and protection. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use wig in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She wore a wig to change her hairstyle for the costume party. Correct example 2. He bought a wig for his role in the theater play. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to wig my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using wig correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Wig means a covering of synthetic or real hair worn on the head. It comes from ancient Egypt, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with wig down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.